How to make money prompting using ChatGPT. Discover the secret to earning money. Turn simple prompts into profits with ChatGPT. So hey guys, and welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can prompt using ChatGPT. So in today's fast-paced digital world, ChatGPT offers endless opportunities to make money by simply mastering the art of prompting. Whether you are looking to create compelling content, automate tasks, or enhance business workflows, well-crafted prompts are the key to unlocking the full potential of this AI tool. By learning how to effectively communicate with ChatGPT, you can offer valuable services like generating marketing copy, answering customer queries, or even writing code. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into chatgpt.com. So I will use ChatGPT to get ourselves some prompts. So first of all, as you can see, we have here give some prompts that I copy and paste or run away ML to generate a batch of some images. Give some good prompts for image if I am going to be using the images as a t-shirt designs. So don't worry, we are not going to be designing in t-shirts I will show you. So of course ChatGPT is going to provide us this prompt that we can use as soon as it gives like this information to us. So here are some creative prompts for generating t-shirt designs. We have here the first one, a vibrant geometric abstract. The second one, a whim scale illustration of a cosmic cat. Then we have a vintage inspired design. Then we have an intricate mandala pattern. Then we have a dynamic street, a serene landscape, a humorous cartoon. Then we have a retro futuristic, a cute and quirky, sorry, and a slight modern. So all I have to do is just copy one of this and then you paste on Runaway. So what is Runaway? Runaway, this is the homepage of Runaway, as you can see. So I will explain you what these Runaway so later. So the first things right now, all I have to do is just copy one of this. So let's choose this one. Then firstly, let me introduce you to another one which is called Leonardo.ea. I will tell you why I use this Leonardo. So Leonardo is a free tool, anybody can use it. You can just create yourself an account like this and you can start creating these images from the prompts. So all you have to do is just click over get started and write your email and your password, then you get started with Leonardo. But first of all, we have here a various information about Leonardo, like features, solutions here, resources for teams, developers, contact and launch app, and get started here if you wanna get started. We have here creativity and LS, leverage generative AI with a unique set of tools to convey your ideas to the world. Then we have here other information like for creators, for teams, for developers. So all I have to do is just scroll down and read all this information to more understand about Leonardo.ea before getting started. So then we have here the home page. After you sign up, then all I have to do right now is just come back here, come back to the home page. We have here a various things and a various options. So all I have to do is just come to the EE tool, then you click over image creation, then you paste what you already copy on ChatGPT. Then we have here some settings here like preset cinematic. Here present we choose cinematic or other things. Then we have here preset style, you choose cinematic, bokeh, cinematic close up, creative, dynamic, fashion, film, food, HDR, long exposure. Then we have macro, minimalist, monochrome, moody, neutral, no one, portrait, retro, stock photo, unprocessed, vibrant, and other things. Then we have here contrast, we have high, medium, low, and about generation mode we have fast, quality. Then about image dimension we have small, medium, large, and then number of image we have 1 2 3 4, the max is 8. And if we scroll down we have here private mode, you can switch on. Then we have about advanced settings also, like photo reel, negative prompt, transparency talent is fixed. So after you modify what you want on the settings, you click over generate and then you get what you want. So after you have got these credits, alright, but they will regenerate because it's always going to be free. As you can see here, I have got 111 of these credits and they will regenerate every 24 hours. You get around 150 of this each 24 hours, so you can just use them. So here is my tank, here is my graffiti here. But the issue here, we have here some words. It's not nice. Don't try to write something on the screen with the image generators. Just don't bath like this. I can see this as t-shirt design. Let me help you. You have just to change the existing prompt on click by clicking on generate one more, and we are going to get a result something like this. Now all of this can be t-shirts design. Why am I telling you all of this? Well, the reason is simple. I found numerous shops on Etsy. They have over the 25,000 sales, and all they do is to sell these designs for t-shirts, for mugs, for air fresheners, for bookmarks, and you can see the price. So if the average is $1, let's say, and they made over than 25,000 sales, you can do the math. That's over than $25,000 for doing this. So what these people do, they just take this design and they just put them out and get this picture and just roll over those to the teachers to make to cap whatever they want, and they make a profit on it. So they just want to save themselves some time, and that's where we come and we make this with ChatGPT or Leonardo or Runaway. Now why Runaway? So let's go to Runaway right now. So Runaway can make you 100 of this, but the downside of it is that you got to pay for it. As you can see, if I click on get started and create an account and get started with it, it's a paid tool, but it will save you time. Maybe you can just use this one whenever you get some cash for investing, and that's it with Runaway. So right now, one of the most effective ways to earn money using ChatGPT is by mastering the art of prompt engineering and offering your services to business and individuals. You can create tailored prompts that help automate tasks like content creation, customer support, and marketing copy generation. Additionally, you can compile pre-made prompt libraries for specific niches such as social media content or email automation and sell them online for passive income. Another lucrative option is to use ChatGPT to generate AI-powered content such as long posts, blog posts, products descriptions, or ad copy, and offer these services on freelancing platforms or your own website. By harnessing the power of prompts, you can turn your skills into a profitable businesses. So that's it with ChatGPT and Leonardo, also here and Runway, and how you can sell on Etsy. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful, helpful, and see you again in the next video.